Okay, I hope you're fine. Today we discuss about the lesson 9, the newly formed Union Territories of India. But before that we discuss about the homework those are given in previous online class. Now see, as you know that I have given the homework, uh, read the lesson and fill the blank space. I hope all of you fill. Now I solve it and you match where you write wrong, do correct. First, this award bestowed without any distinction of race, occupation, and position, and it is the highest civilian award of the country. Answer is Bharat Ratna. You have right in box Bharat Ratna. Next, this is the highest award given to the members of the film fraternity for their extraordinary contribution to Indian cinema. Answer is Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Next, this award is the highest recognition given to members of the armed force for the valor shown in difficult circumstances. Answer is Paramveer Chakra. Next, fourth number, this award recognizes the outstanding achievement in the field of sports and is felicitated by the government of India. Arjun Award. Our right answer is Arjun Award. Next, this award is presented to the sports person to make the men's nation proud at international forum. You have right Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Next, this prestigious award of peacetime military decoration conferred upon either civilians or military personnel for their courage and sacrifice. Ashok Chakra. Next, the veterans in the field of sports are honored with this award for their lifetime contribution and achievements. Dhyan Chandra Award. Next, this award is presented annually by the Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, Delhi for the distinction of in public administration, academics and management. Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award. Next and last, this award honors contribution and works in the field of multidisciplinary science in India. The first award were presented in 1958 and answer is Santi Sarup Bhatnagar Prize. You have filled the book. Now next, how to write this lesson in copy. Now you have write this way in copy. A name the following. This is the highest civilian award of the country. Bracket India. Answer Bharat Ratna. This is the highest award given to the members of the film fraternity for their extraordinary contribution to Indian cinema. Answer is Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Next is this award is the highest recognition given to members of the armed force. Answer is Paramveer Chakra. This award recognizes to outstanding achievement in the field of sports. Answer is Arjun Award. Next, fifth number, this award is presented to the sports person who makes the nation proud at international forum. Answer is Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Now, sixth number, question number 6. This prestigious award is a peacetime military decoration conferred upon either civilians or military personnel for their courage and sacrifice. Ashoka Chakra. Next, the veterans in the field of sports and honored with this award for their lifetime contribution and achievements. Answer is Dhyan Chand Award. Now, next number. This award is presented annually by the Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management. Answer is Lal Bahadur Shastri National Award. Now, 9 and last. This award honors contributions and works in the field of multidisciplinary science in India. Answer is Shanti Sarup Bhatnagar Prize. You have write this way in copy. I will give the PDF file of this exercise. So all students, you have write this homework in proper way, in proper condition. Okay, and I repeat again, in section, in comments box section, you have write name, class and section in comment box. This is a very important for you for attendance. Okay, right now there are 9 union territories in India. On how many states? Just guess. Okay, in comment box, I want an answer in comment box. Okay, there are 9 union territories in India. You know that 2 are new. Which one? Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. And they both these union territories formed in 2019. Here I discuss about the union territories and their capitals. See one by one here. After discussing this union territories and capitals, then we discuss about the Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh's region in briefly. But see here, union territories and their capitals. First, Andaman and Nicobar Island. First, Andaman and Nicobar Island, and capital is Port Blair. What? Port Blair. Next, Chandigarh. Capital is Chandigarh, and you know that Chandigarh also a capital city of 2 states. Yes, guess Punjab and Haryana. Yes, very good. Now next, third, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and capital is Silvassa. Next, Daman and Diu. Capital is Daman. Lakshadweep, capital is Kavaratti. Delhi National Capital Territories, and capital is Delhi. And 7, Puducherry, and you know that Puducherry also known as Pondicherry, capital is Pondicherry. Ladakh, Leh, and Kargil, sometimes Kargil also. And Jammu and Kashmir, capital is Srinagar, and Jammu also. Okay, now see the Ladakh regions and Jammu regions in briefly. Okay, see here. A union territory is an administrative unit of the Republic of India and is directly governed by the central government. There are currently 9 union territories in India: Jammu, Kashmir, and the Ladakh region. Following the Indian government's action in bifurcating the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir and the region of Ladakh into two separate union territories. India currently has 28 states and 9 union territories. Now both Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh have their own lieutenant governor in bracket DLG. The government of India revoked in the special status according to Jammu and Kashmir and announced its bifurcation in the Rajya Sabha of August 5, 2009. It was declared that the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir would have legislature like Puducherry and Delhi, whereas Ladakh would not have a legislature like Chandigarh. Two separate lieutenant governors have been appointed to head the union territories as per Act. The police is now responsible to ensure law and order in the union territories of Jammu and Kashmir. Monitored by the center, Jammu and Kashmir would soon have elected government. Getting to know newly formed union territories. The special status under Article 370 of the Indian Constitution, according to the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir, was the revoked and state was bifurcated into two union territories, Jammu, Kashmir, and Ladakh. The decision was made public in August 19 but come into effect of October 31st, 2019. Jammu and Kashmir. The region has a mountainous terrain with thorn scrub and grass constituting the main vegetation. Terrace agriculture is practiced in the region. On the mountain slopes, while rice mainly grow in the region, other crops that cultivated there: corn, pulses, barley, wheat, millet, cotton, and tobacco. Jammu and Kashmir significantly contributes to the production of saffron in India. Ladakh, a region in the northernmost part of India, was converted into a union territory in August 19. It would be under the direct control of the central government. Earlier, Ladakh was a part of Jammu and Kashmir. Ladakh comprises into two districts, Leh and Kargil. The culture and cuisine of Ladakh is similar to the Tibet. In fact, Tibetan language is spoken in Ladakh. The economy of Ladakh is largely dependent upon tourism with the magnetic hill, Pangong Lake, Jansankar Valley, Leh Palace, many monasteries and mountain passes being the major tourist attraction of Ladakh region. Now all students, you have take a pen and copy. Now write homework of lesson 9. Lesson is the newly formed union territories of India. Answer the following questions. Question number first. How many union territories are there in India? Question number 2. In which year did Dadar and Nagar Haveli merge with India? Question number 3. What is the capital of Lakshadweep? Question number 4. Which is erstwhile state of India is new divided into two union territories. Question number 5. Which union territory has the largest population? Question number 6. Name the two newly formed union territories as on November 2019. Question number 7. Which union territory is the capital of two states, Haryana and Punjab? Question number 8. Which union territories has the smallest population? Question number 9. What is the capital of Dadar and Nagar Haveli? Question number 10. In which year was Delhi converted into a union territories? Question number 11. Which union territory has a mixed culture of Indian and Portuguese? Question number 12. In which union territory would you find people belonging to the Sentinelese tribe? You have write this homework in proper way and try to solve, but in next video I will solve it. And I remind again, in comment box section you have write name, class and section, okay, for attendance. Okay, always keep in mind.